Greetings, YouTube. Recently I built a one-handed warhammer out of black pipe, and I'm quite happy with how it came out. And this was a proof of concept idea. This is a 3/4 inch shaft and 1 inch fittings all around, except for the reduction that goes down to that point. So I decided that I was going to build a larger version, a post-apocalyptic Greathammer, and these are the parts I'm going to use. We have a 36-inch, 1-inch diameter shaft. I considered using a 48-inch shaft, but that was a little bit too unwieldy. I'm not the hugest guy in the world. I'm only 5'8". I weigh about 160, 165. That seemed a little big for me. So I wanted to bring it down to a more reasonable level, but still in the same realm as a conventional sledgehammer. So we have a butt cap for one end. We have the T. We have 2 connections. Now I actually chose ones that have this flat in the middle. This will allow me to actually grab this with a wrench and turn it with the wrench, not just my hand, so that'll be safer, and I should get a better connection that way. This is actually going to go up in size this time, and we're going to use a larger head. So instead of going with a cap for a 1 inch, this is actually going to be a cap for a 1 1/4, so it's a larger size. And we have a reduction, and we have another point on that end. So these are the items that I put together, so now it's time for some assembly. And here we are with the finished product. And here are the tools I used: glove, adjustable wrench, channel locks. This is a 36-inch shaft. I don't have a scale that can accurately weigh this thing, but my guesstimate is it weighs in about 8 pounds of steel. So we have a 1 1/4 inch striking head, this connection here, the 1 inch T, and then it steps down to a 3/4 inch impact point. And again, I set it up at a 45-degree angle because I happen to like that look. And this time I've got that seam going vertical. So this thing is a beast. It's a big, heavy weapon. It's not going to be fast, but anything you hit with it is going to be broken, both for construction, destruction, or in the unlikely event that you find yourself in it, combat. So you have a one-handed warhammer here, and here we have a two-handed Greathammer, both made out of black pipe and both very firmly falling into the category of the post-apocalyptic weapons. And this is the first time I've done this, but this is a completely YouTube-funded project. Everything that went into this hammer today came out of my ad fund. So this is all thanks to you folks. And in addition to this, I also picked up today fire. And that, along with that little belt over there, are for some future crafting projects I have in mind. So I hope you enjoyed this. I hope that you found it interesting. And I encourage you to go forth and make your own.